Let me show you how to block payments on Revolut. Welcome back everyone to a new video on Howgenic. If you're using Revolut for your monthly payments or any kind of payments that happen on a regular basis, you can easily block one of those payments and the payment does not process in future months. Now, in order to block your payments, you'll need to head over to the transaction section so that you can find that particular payment or that transaction and block those payments in the future. So if you have prior transactions, you're going to see them in this section. If you don't see them in this section, you just need to scroll down a bit and you're going to see the list of payments that you've made or the transactions that you've made within Revolut. Once you land on the transaction section, you're going to see all of transactions that you've made. Just tap and open up a particular transaction or a payment that you're trying to block. The only type of transactions that you are able to block are recurring payments. So some sort of subscription that you have, you are only able to block those. So once you open up this particular transaction, you'll be able to see the option called block future payments. If you tap on that option and accept it, from now on, this particular subscription or company will be blocked off. Now, if you don't see this option which says block future payments and you only see split bills, that means this is not a recurring payment that you have to make every month or every week. In those cases, you won't have the option called block future payments. So as a criteria, only those payments can be blocked that are recurring. So that's the exact way that you block payments inside of Revolut. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.